Grade 7 girls will continue with lesson 5.1. In that, turn to page number 257, write the date today, that is 1st February, and we'll continue with question number 10. Yeah. Dana, please can you read out question number 10? Last night,
Four friends went out to dinner at a restaurant. They split the bill evenly. Each friend paid 12.75 for his or her meal, and each left the same amount for a tip. The total dinner bill includes the tip was 61. What equation could you use to describe the situation?
okay, girls. Clearly, they told in the question that 4 of your friends, they went to a dinner. The total, everything after paying the tip and everything, it was how much? 61. So I wrote 61 here. But before that, how they described? They said each friend paid how much? 12.75. And she also paid the tip. This is for one friend. This is for one friend. This is each friend. But how many friends are there?
4.
4. Imagine, like example, you went to a restaurant and you had yani each one, you all contributed 20 reals. So if 4 friends, how much is the bill?
61.
1 minute. Tell me, if each friend gives 20 reals and there are 4 friends, what will you do? You will do 4 multiplied by 20. You
Alright.
80 reals as you told me. Simple, same thing. They said $12.75 each friend paid. But they also paid the tip, but the tip they did not give you. They told you it's T reals, maybe T dollars. And how many friends paid? 4 friends. So I multiply with 4. This parenthesis or bracket means 4. And total is 61. So this is the equation. Is this clear?
Yes.
Later on, if you don't understand, you will face the difficulty. Please stop me or please ask me again and again if you don't get it. Zishan, did you get this?
Yes.
Total is 61 riyals, so $61. And each one paid 12.75 plus the tip, that is plus T. That you have to do times 4 because there are 4 friends.
4 friends.
Zishan, please read it out. Mia buys.
Mia buys 415 pounds of plums. The total cost after using a coupon for 55 cents of her entire
Uh-huh.
purchase was $3.23.
So
If
what was the total? Wait a minute. What was the total? $3.23 was total. Okay. Now, if C represent the cost of plums, so 4.5 kg. Like example, you go to Panda. Okay, you go to Panda and you take a plastic bag and put maybe some oranges, and it's written there 5 real kg. 5 real kg. Usually in foreign countries they do in pounds. So 5 real kg. Then you go to that person who's weighing. He checks 5 times per kg. Maybe you took 3 kgs. So he will do 5 times 3 and he will write there the sticker of 15 reals. He will multiply the price with the kg, right? That's what I will multiply the kg, that is pounds here. Multiply by what? The cost. What is the cost? C represent the cost. See here? They clearly told you that C is the cost. So 4.5 C. And minus, because they said after using the coupon. From the coupon he used so much, 4.5. From the coupon of 55. Okay. But they said the total cost of 55 euro of the entire purchase. Why did he take 0.45, 0.55? Because percentage. Okay, the total cost after using for 55 cents Off, girls. See this word. This word, 55% off. What does this mean? That means it is, here it must be percentage, girls, not 55% off. Then only you are supposed to put over 100. So I get 4.5 minus 0.55. C, of course, here will give you 3.23. This is the equation, girls. I write it clearly here. 4.5 C, cost of 4.5 pounds. You will subtract with, because they said off. That will give you 3 point. Okay.
Okay.
Describe a situation that equation could represent. Any situation. They said G represent the number of eggs a farmer collected. The farmer packed the eggs into cartons of 6. So that's why they divided into 6. And 3 eggs short of packing 15 full cartons. So you have to add 3 because they are have shortage of 3 eggs. So I took 3 eggs plus G, that is G is the number of eggs. I added 3 to it because there are 3 eggs short. And then I divided them into 6. That is equal to how many cartons? 15 cartons. We'll only do till 12, girls. Question number 13, put a cross mark.
Okay.
Here, you want to buy a pet iguana. You already have $12 and plan to save 9 per week. You are planning to buy some pet and you have with you $12. 9 per week means 9W, right? $12 and then plus 9 per week. Total, how much they said? If W represents the number of weeks until you have enough money to buy the iguana, write the equation. Why did I write $48? Because they have given you the picture that iguana is how many dollars? 48. The total is $48. You have $12 and every week you are collecting 9 till when you get 48. Okay? Did you understand this?
Yes.
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 The cross mark again. In a certain country, the life expectancy of women born in 1995 was 18.2 years, 80.2 years. Between 1995 and to the life expectancy increased 0.4 years every 5 years. If L is the life expectancy of women born in 2005, why did I minus it, girls? Why did I minus this, anyone? 2005, compare. So the life of a woman born in 1995 was 80.2 and increased every 5 years. Between 1995, after 1995, it increased 0.4 every 5 years. From 95 to 2000, it became 0.4. From 2000 to 2005, it became 0.8. So 0.4 multiplied by 2. So your answer is L minus, they ask you about L, the life expectancy decreased by, increased, but before it was only 80.2 years. Now expectancy is increased means they will live 0.4 multiplied by 2. That gives you 80.2 years.
Okay.
or you can say 80.2 was in 1995. You added 0.8. I told you it is increasing, so I'll add the 0.8 to the life expectancy. This is the better equation to understand, that you from 80.2 it was in 1995, and then I added 0.8. Why? Because 0.4, and again you have 10 years. 10 years means every 5 years, so you have 2 times of 0.4. That is 80.2 plus 0.4 and plus 0.4, that will give you life expectancy 80.2 plus 8 years. Again, B, just reasoning question. High order, you can try by your own, Noor and Jury. Question 15, we are just doing A.
Okay.
Here, okay, I will do with you 16A. Write a description that represents 13 less than 5 times is 12, not 2, it's 12. 5 times X is 5 times the number is 12. This is not 2, girls. Here, 12. 13 less than 5 times any number is 12.
Okay.
Now I'll start with next lesson, that is 5.2. Guys, I'll come back. Just give me a moment. Turn to page. This is the lesson quiz. Turn to page number 260. 260. And the first question. Andrew rents bowling shoes for $4. He bowled 2 games. Oh my God. He gave his shoes for $4. He bowled 2 games. Andrew spent a total of $22. How much was the cost of each game? Okay. For $4, he bowled 2 games. First, this is the total spent. Total, how much he spent, girls? He spent total of $22. It's given in the question. Okay? And he bowls how many games?
2.
2 games. That means cost of per game is B. I don't know. Per game, how much is the cost? But the shoe rental is B.
4.
Is B. That is 4B. In the second game here, there's a 2 games, so I did 4 and 4. I did 4 and 4. And here again, I did 4 and 4. Okay. Now, why did they write 18, girls? What did they subtract it? Minus 4. They subtracted to total. They subtracted minus 4, say they got 18. So each game is 9 and 9. Each game is 9 and 9.
9.
Game cost $9.
Okay. Understand.
Again, if you want, I will just say you 4. See, 4 plus, there were 2 games, or you can just say, leave about the equation. It's better he has shown this way, because in equation you have to take 4 that side, and that becomes 22 minus 4 divided by 2. It becomes 4 plus, 1 minute. The equation is this way, 4 plus 2b. Okay, 2b, and because the rental is 4, and then each game is 2 games. So 4 goes that side and becomes 22 minus 4. That is 2b equals 18. And I told you division becomes, here it goes and become division. B equals 18 by 2, that is 9. Girls, I'm sure you're getting confused. Again, I say you, the rent is 4 and that every game, it is 2 games and every game it costs B dollars. The total you got is 22. So when 4 goes to the other side, the plus becomes minus. Leave 2B here and this goes to other side and become 4. Now, 2b is nothing but 18 and this 2 is multiplication, it goes there and become division. It is 2 and 9. B equals 9. When 18 divided by 18 over 2 is 9. This is your answer in this way, and you have also this way. Anyway, you can follow. Please write down this step by step.
I'm done.
But did you understand?
I'm done.
Yes.
Here, I wonder why grade 7 don't have any questions. Never, you know. You will never come up with questions. Grade 5 is asking me. Grade 6, they're asking me. They're stopping me. But grade 7, why this? Are you also, I mean, mashallah, it's very good if you really understand everything. Or you all are still shy after me teaching you from last year. What is it? I don't get it. Can you come up with that? Can you just say me, explain me? Anyone? Talk and let me
Yes,
know.
I understand.
Is it really, is it possible that you every time understand? Anyways, let me continue because I feel embarrassed sometimes that why is it like that? The number of trumpet players is 2 more than, if I say 2 more than, what should I write here? Plus or minus?
Plus.
As 1/4 of the entire band. 1/4 of the entire band. I don't know the students in the band, but total, they are how much? 18 students. Okay, 2 more than 1/4 of the entire band. So I have this. Now, girls, you all know I have taught you. This is nothing but plus 2, right? It goes there and becomes, what does it become? Plus 2 goes to the other side and become?
18
Plus 2 will go to this side and will become minus 2. If it is multiplication, it becomes division. If it is division, it becomes multiplication. If it is minus, it goes to the other side and become plus. This is the rule, girls. So this plus 2,
Yes.
I'm kicking it out. Why? Because I want to be alone. It goes and become minus 2. As you have 16. Now this 4, it is down. If it is down, it goes up. If it is up, it comes down. So it is 16. This is division over. So division, I told you it will become multiplication.
Multiplication.
So you have your answer as 64. This is given here, girls, here, but please write it down next to your, next somewhere here so that you know steps.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Uh, Christy ran 24 laps in a charity run and then walked 0.2 kilometer to the presentation table. 24 laps, but you don't know that one lap has how many kilometer? I don't know. So of course it is 24, let the laps be L or something, 24x, I don't know, plus 0.2 kilometer. She walked so much. The total distance is 29.6. Now let us solve this. 24x plus 0.2 equals 29.6. Girls, what is that you want? You want x. So this plus, I need to kick it out. When I kick this out, I copy 29.6. Dishan, this plus 0.2, when it goes to another side, what will it become? Plus 0.2. When it walks to the other side, shall I write plus 0.2 or minus 0.2?
Minus?
Yes, because it is walking to the another side. When it walks to another side, plus becomes minus. Now, if you have your calculator, just copy 24x and this you need to minus it. Minus and tell me how much is this? I think it is 20.
I don't have the calculation.
What?
I don't have the calculation.
Okay. By itself, we can know 29.6 minus 29, 0.2 is 29.4. Who has the calculator? Now, next question. Judy?
Yes.
I want to make this x alone. I want to make this x alone. Where will this 24 go? This is multiplication. It will go down and become what?
Division.
Division. 29.4 over 24. Girls, please. No one has calculator?
I have.
Do 29.4 over 24. Your answer will be 1.255
Yes.
kilometers. Any questions?
No.
No.
Okay. Clyde is baking and the recipe requires 1/1/3 cups of flour. Clyde has 2 cups of flour. Okay. It gives 1/1/3. It has to require 1. She wants this. Okay. But she has 2 cups. 2 cups. Okay. But he's doubling the recipe to make twice as much as how much more. Okay. Now write an equation to represent the problem. Let C represent the amount of flour cycle. 2 plus C because I don't know. And total, she needs 2 times. Clearly they told 2 times, doubling the recipe to twice. She doubled the recipe because she requires 1/1/3 cup of flour. But she's doubling the recipe and she wants to make double of that. That is 2 times of this thing. And she has 2 cups of flour. So how much she must need more to make this? Simple. This plus 2 becomes, go there and becomes minus 2. This is the equation. And if I do it, 2, 1 by 3.
Okay.
So this 2 over 3 solve the equation. If I solve the equation, this becomes, that's why I'm saying there's something wrong here. This becomes, first I'll write 2, 1 over 3 minus 2. So my answer has to be 1 over 3. You know 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. We are left with 1 over 3 minus 1 because there is nothing here. So let us do this. You know it's cross multiplication. That is 2 over 3. I'm not considering the minus here. That is 2 over 3 cup of flour. I get 2 over 3. This is your B. And that was your A. So write down. So Clyde needs 2/3 cup of flour more. Okay? Who's not there in my class today? Again, my
Hey.
not there, right? That's it. Thank you, girls. Have a nice day. See you in the science class. At
Okay.